Jamaica has 4 athletes in the men's 100-meter event at the 2023 World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary. Ryan Ford, Seville, Rohan Watson, and Akeem Blake. Blake is an alternate who will only run if one of the other 3 is unable to compete. All 3 who ran in the heats advance to the semi-finals, which will take place at 9:35 a.m. Jamaica time. Seville ran the fastest time of 9.86 seconds, equaling his personal best. Ford and Watson also secured second-place finishes in their respective heats. Jamaica has a history of success in this event, with 6 gold medals, 4 silver medals, and 4 bronze medals since 1983. The most recent champion was Usain Bolt, who also holds the world record of 9.58 seconds. The Jamaican sprinters will face tough competition from other contenders in the semi-finals and final.